Hi, it's Renee. I got my next scrapbook kit today. I have not even cut it open yet. Let's see what's in here. And this is, I keep forgetting the name of it, Scrapbooking Store is where I get my kit. And I recently went through all my kits, and there's only 2 or 3 of them that I have not used yet. I got some washi tape. I bet this is Easter or spring. It's my March kit. Let's see what the ephemera is. It is Cartabella, Everywhere, and it is not saying how many pieces are in there. All right, then we got, a stamp set. Paige Evans, 15 stamps. I like it. I've never gotten a stamp set from one of my kits yet. I like that. Whoops. All right, Day in the Life #2 by Echo Park. Definitely looks spring. And I need to do another video too. I went to my craft club 2 weekends ago and I got all my scrapbook layouts done and didn't show it yet. Okay, Day in the Life, page 1. Looks like daisies with, it's just thick. Daisies with navy blue. Cut aparts on the other side. Peach with white hearts. And more cut aparts. Olive green. And more cut aparts. This book or pack is loaded with cut aparts. Pink, yellow, and blue flowers. And more cut aparts. Wow, I'm going to get my fill of cut aparts here. I like cut aparts, so a real pretty blue. And more cut aparts. Every page so far. A page full of vases with flowers. Are we surprised? More cut aparts. Blue, yellow, and white flowers with polka dots. Not surprised. Multicolored butterflies. And cut aparts again. Mini squares. I bet every single page has cut aparts. Would not be surprised. I'm struggling to get my finger apart, or page apart. Multicolored cameras. Just a solid yellow, mustard yellow. And it looks like navy blue. Not surprised, not saying a word. And what is the sticker sheet this month? It is definitely spring. It's got lots of floral, an old-fashioned rotary phone, camera, luggage, bike. I like it though. I'm very happy with this kit. Yeah, I went through all of my other page kits and there's only 2 or maybe 3 that I did not use any of the paper out of yet, and that's it. The rest of them I have broken into, and I didn't think I did that good, but I did, so I am very pleased with myself. All right. Will not irritate you by putting that back in the paper. I will have another video out very soon with all the layouts I did on my last craft club 2 weekends ago now. And I still haven't showed the video of all the layouts I got done. So have a great day or night wherever you're at. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.